Let's face it, folks, life is messy. Whether it's the kids turning the living room into a playground, the pets running around with muddy paws, or the occasional spill from a clumsy moment, our homes are constantly under siege from chaos. Especially when you've got kids, pets, or, let's be honest, a spouse who's prone to spills. These everyday moments, while filled with joy and laughter, can also lead to a lot of stress when it comes to maintaining a clean and beautiful home. That's where waterproof flooring comes in, offering peace of mind and a whole lot less stress. Imagine a floor that can withstand the daily wear and tear, the unexpected spills, and the inevitable messes without losing its charm or functionality. Forget about frantically blotting up spills or worrying about warped floors. Waterproof laminate is here to save the day. With its advanced technology, it repels water, making cleanup a breeze and ensuring your floors stay pristine. It's durable, stylish, and shrugs off moisture like a duck in a rainstorm. This means you can enjoy the beauty of your home without the constant worry of damage from everyday accidents. Sounds too good to be true? Let's dive in and find out why waterproof laminate might just be the flooring miracle you've been waiting for. Not only does it offer superior protection against water damage, but it also comes in a variety of styles and finishes to match any decor. From rustic wood grains to sleek modern designs, there's a waterproof laminate option for every taste. And the best part, it's incredibly easy to install. Many waterproof laminate floors feature a click-lock system that allows for quick and hassle-free installation, even for DIY enthusiasts. No need for glue or nails, just snap the pieces together and you're good to go. Plus, maintenance is a breeze. Regular sweeping and occasional mopping are all it takes to keep your floors looking brand new. No special cleaners or treatments required. So if you're tired of worrying about spills, stains, and water damage, it's time to consider waterproof laminate flooring. It's the perfect solution for busy households that need a durable, stylish, and low-maintenance flooring option. Make your home a place where you can relax and enjoy every moment, without the constant stress of maintaining your floors. Waterproof laminate flooring, the homeowner's dream come true. Ready to transform your home? Dive into the world of waterproof laminate flooring and discover the perfect blend of beauty, durability, and peace of mind. Now, before we dive deeper, let's break down the technology behind waterproof laminate flooring. Waterproof laminate flooring is engineered with a core that resists moisture. Unlike traditional laminate, which can swell and warp when exposed to water, the waterproof variety is crafted from advanced materials that repel liquids. Think of it as a shield for your subfloor, keeping moisture at bay. You're probably wondering, hold on, is it really waterproof or just water resistant? That's a valid question. While no flooring is entirely indestructible, waterproof laminate comes pretty close. It can handle spills, splashes, and even pet accidents without any issues. The key is to choose a reputable brand and ensure it's properly installed. We'll cover that in more detail later. Like any home improvement decision, there are pros and cons to consider. Let's start with the good stuff. Waterproof laminate is incredibly durable, scratch-resistant, and easy to clean. Music to any homeowner's ears, right? It's also more affordable than many other waterproof flooring options, making it a budget-friendly choice. On the flip side, it can feel less warm underfoot than hardwood, and repairs can be tricky. Section 5. Top brands in the market. Navigating your options. Navigating the world of flooring can feel like a maze, so let's shed some light on the top dogs in waterproof laminate. With so many options available, it can be overwhelming to make the right choice. But don't worry, we're here to guide you through the process. You've got your heavy hitters like Mohawk, Shaw, and Coratec. These brands are renowned for their durability and style, making them popular choices among homeowners and professionals alike. Mohawk, for instance, offers a variety of innovative designs that can fit any aesthetic. Coratec is another top contender, known for its waterproof capabilities and easy installation process. Their products are designed to withstand heavy foot traffic, making them ideal for busy households. Then there's Armstrong, a brand that has been around for decades, offering reliable and stylish options. And let's not forget Pergo, which offers a wide range of designs and price points to suit any budget. Whether you're looking for something luxurious or more affordable, Pergo has something for everyone. It's important to do your research, folks. Compare warranties, read reviews, and consider the specific needs of your home. Don't be afraid to ask questions. Speak to experts, visit showrooms, and get a feel for the products before making a decision. Remember, the right flooring can transform your space, so take your time to choose wisely. Happy renovating. Section 6, Installation Insights, Ensuring a Flawless Finish, Tips and Tricks. Now here's where things can get tricky. Even the best waterproof laminate won't perform its best if it's not installed right. Remember, a proper installation starts with a level subfloor. Don't cut corners, folks. Invest in a moisture barrier if needed, and follow the manufacturer's instructions to the letter. And hey, if you're not comfortable tackling it yourself, call in a pro. Section 7. Ideal locations and settings for waterproof laminate. Kitchens and bathrooms are the obvious choices for waterproof flooring, but there's more. Waterproof laminate is perfect for basements, mudrooms, and even bedrooms. It stands up to the demands of high-traffic areas and spills effortlessly. So go ahead, explore the possibilities. Section 8. Maintenance made easy, keeping your floors looking their best. Maintenance tips for waterproof laminate flooring. One of the best things about waterproof laminate, it's a breeze to keep clean. Regular sweeping or vacuuming will keep dirt and debris at bay, while occasional mopping with a laminate safe cleaner will keep your floors sparkling. Avoid harsh chemicals or abrasive cleaners, as they can damage the protective layer. Section 9. Waterproof laminate versus the competition. A comparative look. Now you might be wondering how waterproof laminate compares to other flooring options. It's more budget-friendly than hardwood and easier to install than tile. It's also warmer and more comfortable underfoot than vinyl. Of course, each option has its pros and cons, so it's all about finding the best fit for your needs and budget. Section 10. Important factors to keep in mind. Choosing waterproof laminate flooring is a significant decision. Consider your lifestyle, budget, and the overall style of your home. Think about foot traffic, moisture levels, and your tolerance for wear and tear. Don't be afraid to order samples and see how they look in your space before you commit. Section 11. Conclusion. Embracing the waterproof revolution. Join the movement towards waterproof laminate flooring and transform your home. There you have it, folks. We've journeyed through the ins and outs of waterproof laminate flooring, and it's clear that this innovation is transforming homes everywhere. Waterproof laminate flooring has come a long way, evolving from a niche product to a mainstream choice for many homeowners. Offering a durable, stylish, and affordable solution for busy households, it seamlessly combines practicality with aesthetics. With its impressive moisture resistance, easy maintenance, and ability to withstand the rigors of daily life, it's a game-changer for families. The wide range of designs available means there's something to suit every taste and decor style, from classic wood grains to modern, sleek finishes. It's no wonder more and more homeowners are making the switch, drawn by the promise of a floor that looks great and performs even better. So, if you're looking for a flooring option that can keep up with your life, waterproof laminate might just be the answer to your prayers. Imagine a floor that can handle spills, splashes, and even the occasional pet accident without missing a beat. That's the beauty of waterproof laminate. Just remember to do your research, choose a reputable brand, and ensure proper installation for a floor that'll stand the test of time. Proper installation is key to maximizing the benefits of your new floor. Hiring a professional can make all the difference, ensuring a perfect fit and finish. And don't forget to review samples and consult with experts to find the best match for your home. The right choice can elevate your living space to new heights. Waterproof laminate flooring is more than just a trend. It's a revolution in home improvement. It's about creating spaces that are not only beautiful but also resilient and easy to care for. From intricate designs to robust performance, this flooring option offers a perfect blend of form and function. Homeowners everywhere are sharing their positive experiences, showcasing how waterproof laminate has enhanced their homes. It's about more than just flooring. It's about creating a home environment that supports your lifestyle and stands up to the demands of everyday life. Easy maintenance means more time enjoying your home and less time worrying about upkeep. A quick sweep or mop is all it takes to keep your floors looking pristine. With waterproof laminate, you can feel confident in your choice, knowing you've invested in a product that delivers on its promises. So, as you embark on your home improvement journey, consider the many benefits of waterproof laminate flooring. It's a decision that can bring lasting value and joy to your home. Stay dry out there and embrace the waterproof revolution.